What's up, YouTube?
What's up?
It's your girl Bree.
Oh, my bad. This is Erica. Hey.
This is Erica. You make it sound like you're talking on the phone. Anyways, don't mind our uniform, guys. We just got off work. We work the night shift, 7 to 7. What's up? Trying to get that passive money. Anyways, this is another vending day. Hold on, let me get this focus right. Still learning about this camera. Don't mind me. Yeah, so today's another vending day. Gonna head out to a couple locations we have. I know last time we went to our location, was it? Oh, our car audio shop. Now we're gonna go to another car audio shop plus another solar company. But first, gotta get some tacos. Hell yeah. No one works good on an empty stomach, right, guys? Anyways, stay tuned. Yeah, it's like that.
What you get?
I got some potato with egg.
Papa con huevo.
Papa con huevo, yeah, there you go. Some more green sauce. Yes.
Okay, that's what we do.
Look at that shit. What you get?
You don't want to stock up on an empty stomach. I got taco de pollo.
Yes, at 8 in the morning.
Yes, at 8 in the morning, guys. My sauce already. Take a bite.
Oh man.
Let's
Devour this.
Let's ASMR.
It's like cheese.
Okay.
It's a lot. Okay. On my way to stock up our car audio location. Out of the cart. Let me get the doors open. Morning! Hey, dog. I hope you don't mind.
How you doing?
YouTube purposes.
You got a YouTube channel?
I'm trying. This is our combo machine. For those of y'all don't know the combo, it's snacks, drinks. See how we doing. AP. Looks like we got one spot sold out, which is, that's alright. This is after almost 2 weeks or so. This is our big seller right here, though. Let's see how many drinks are sold. Almost gone.
I didn't say it in the time before.
I'm
not on television. Come on, say look here.
Oh, you get shy?
Yeah.
You're complaining about a bag of coins, so let me go ahead and refund this month, this man.
Oh, she put me on.
Always refund your customers. Refunds in full effect. Here's the onions. Look how quick you came.
Thank you.
Alright, these are the snacks. It's snack time. Alright. Really? I want to record your response. No. Are you complaining? You're at work right now. Fuck you. You don't speak like that on YouTube. So I'm gonna go this dang sweat dripping all down your face. Get on! Okay. You are doing too much right now. I made her stop it too. You got that height. Look at that arm, lady. Look at that arm. Guys. You silly. Put it like, yeah. Like that. So we're done restocking. Everything's full. It's looking good. And now big reveal. Time for the
Get the money back
the
out.
part everybody waits for. You good? Look at that. Okay. Cute stack right there. Oh yes. Nice. Alright. Yeah, vending machine guys, get you a money bag. Comes in handy. And scene. You didn't even look at the coins. Let's see what got any coins in here. Nope. Oh. Ready?
I think we can give something to Alex.
I always like to give the employees, owners some things because they don't ask for commission, which I really appreciate. You want to get a location that, you know, you're just making money off of. You don't have to give any money, right? That's the goal. So he likes to get Big Red. Alright guys, we're at the second location. So the company, this is a company location. So see how it goes.
I think
Little numbers here.
those are they're little duckies.
This is our snack machine, of course, our AP snack machine. Our credit card reader. It's USA Live, yeah, I know. This is our drink machine. It's a Dixie Market 501 live display. 9 Select. Also a credit card reader. USA Live.
Oh, by the way, we installed the one on the snack machine ourselves.
Yes, we did install this credit card reader. We didn't. Time to collect. So we got here snack machine and hold on. So we get most of our sales are in credit cards in either ways, so you know thing. It's alright.
Oh, there's a card in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so a little something.
I can never pick it in there.
Is it on right?
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't think it is.
You can tell by the little latches right here.
Alright. Count that later, guys. Oh, get our change.
Much in there.
Bunch of dimes. It's all good. The money's money, right?
Oh, okay.
Alright, guys. She's a little slow. She's new to the YouTube. Don't mind her. She's new to the tube.
Alright, now this is the drink machine.
Alright, let's see what we got. A couple fives in there. Okay. Yeah,
Let's see.
little collection in here.
Oh, let's show it. Hey, I see it. Okay. Oh, you mixed them together?
Yeah, guys, you really don't want to collect your money in front of the employees. then they might want to cut. And here it comes right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you watched the whole video, not just the first 2 minutes. Thanks for staying with us. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.